My name is Kapaning, and we're here at Target, and we're going to be looking at the accessories that they carry here because they have some great stuff. Maybe this will give you some ideas to decorate your house. A lot of times the client would ask me about art and stuff like that, and art is so personal. I really think that you shouldn't put stuff up until you find things that speak to you. But sometimes if you leave a space completely empty, it doesn't look quite finished, so you might need something in between. Target has not a huge amount of cool artwork, but they do have some. For instance, this set over here makes it so easy to just fill an area. We do this over beds a lot, the 3 in a row. I like this set too. It's random, but this is where it's just a pop of color in an otherwise empty wall or something. You can think of it as a placeholder until you find the art that you actually like, but some people just think, oh, it's so cute, I'm just gonna leave it. So don't just look in the home decorating section. Sometimes I'll wander through the office supply stuff because they'll have these extra little things. Everyone has bookshelves built in somewhere, and you can't fill it all with books. So sometimes I like to just throw a little thing like this, just because it's a stapler doesn't mean it can't be like a fun little object, right? Something like this is supposed to be a pencil holder, but I'll use this to put a little plant in it and just prop it somewhere. See, they have these cute little things that can just, it's a paperweight, but you don't have to use it as a paperweight. You can just put that somewhere as a little object. And of course, mix it up. Mix it up. Something like that, and then something a little taller. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're looking for more tips and tricks, please share and subscribe. It really helps get the word out, and I hope to see you soon.